I'm Craig Phillips and I'm adding the finishing touches to my garden shed. Once the paint was dry, I did a couple of coats on the main doors. The colour I'm using is City Slicker. Likewise with the trim, I painted all four sides of this for better protection. These are going to be placed on the corners. Screw the hinges onto the door, offer it up into position and screw it in tight to the frame. Double check that it swings okay. Apply some good quality multi-use on the trims, offer these up to the corner and screw them into position. I applied the glue across the roof panels, rolled out the felt, pinned down the corners and covered them with the trim. Again, glued further trims on the underside of the roof, clamped these into position till it dried. So that's how you build your flat pack shed. Prepare all the surfaces and paint it so it lasts. If you're looking for more 60-second tips, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Mr. and Mrs. DIY.